Hello, parents. Guess what? Professor TK the Chemist is offering a wonderful opportunity for you and your scholars. We're providing them with a basic anatomy and physiology book of information through our courses. Check this out. Your child, when they enroll, will receive a free apron. Yes, a free digestive system apron, along with all of the content they're going to need for this class. And they're going to learn things like the interesting facts about the brain, along with, guess what else? Parts of the body, all the organ systems, all of your major systems that your child did not know. So go ahead and run real quick over to www.tkthechemist.com and sign your scholar up today. And guess what I also want you to do? See if you can do this tongue twister. Copper coffee pot. Say it 5 times fast. We're going to be doing all of those wonderful things during our class. So go ahead and register because this sale won't last long. $47 versus $97. And the content is valued at over $300.